What's up, guys? So this is a little episode here of something that you guys have been bugging me about for years now with my Jeep. So I'm at Jeepers Den and Accessories down in Orlando. I'm getting some new wheels and tires on the old WJ. That's one of the comments that I've had, is that the Jeep was kind of boring with the stock wheels, and at the time I bought those wheels used and the tires used even, and finally springing for some nice wheels and tires, and I can't wait to see how it looks on the Jeep. It's going to be awesome. Let's check it out. Alright, here's the last look of the old stockers. Alright, check it out.
Change the tires. I'm going test drive with you? I'm going test drive with you? I've got nothing to do.
Looks good. Jeepers Den, hook me up in Orlando. Hell yeah. Check it out. I just had to pull over on my way home here to take some pics. Man, it looks so different. It's incredible how different it looks. Even with the same size tires, but just with full tread and stuff. And we had to leave the 1-inch spacers on that I had because the studs are too short. And but yeah, so it's got like the little bulge going out there now. It's sick. Love it. What a difference. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick little episode here of an update on the Jeep that I got a bunch of comments on where people are like, oh, those stock wheels look like crap. And I agree, they did. They looked all right, but it wasn't nothing like this. So happy for the update, or the upgrade, and appreciate you guys watching all those WJ videos. I think I have like 50 of them, and of this build, and that was like 6-7 years ago when I originally built this. So I've just been enjoying it and driving it and camping and doing all that stuff, and it's been fun. Peace.